Yes! Okay, cool. It's my keyboard. It's a nicer keyboard, it's just wired. Ooh, okay. What's up? Welcome to the unboxing. Here we have the Logitech multi-device K380. See right there, it's by Logitech. As you see on the side right here, it's got this right here. It says multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. It is wireless only. It's Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, iOS, and Apple TV. So you can connect it to all these, type on anything, and you can switch between three. Guys, I am now a tech channel. Take to type style. Type whatever you like on the device of your choice. I don't even know why they read that. That makes no sense. What the heck? Like, obviously, take to type style. Obviously, I'm gonna take to type. This keyboard is 30 USD. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. Okay, look at the box. Ooh, look at that. Nice packaging right there. You see it in its glory. They have different colors, white. I think they have pink too. This is the dark gray model. This is the cheaper model. The white one and the pink I think are 40 bucks. Take a sniff. Okay, I'll take a sniff. It's not usually how unboxings go, but maybe this one's a little different. I don't know, it just smells like plastic or something. Okay, I don't really smell much, but maybe I have to take it out. Yo, the new book smell is undefeated. Best smell of all time. A bookstore has the best smell, don't at me. Second is a coffee shop, and then third is probably a Blockbuster. Other than that, nothing compares. So it has these instructions. I don't know what these instructions are. Here it says you could switch between 3 Bluetooth devices. So now, now that's a smell. That is a smell. It's, oh, it smells like a new Xbox controller. That smells like good technology. This is gonna slap, guys. It's nice. It's nice and compact. As you can see, it's like really small compared to my other keyboard. Okay, so these yellow buttons are the Bluetooth buttons, you know, connectivity, switch between devices. Oh. How does that sound? I gotta pull this tab off. And it comes with batteries. Oh, it feels good. It feels good. Sup, bitch. That's what I just typed. Does need a little getting used to. Keys are a little compact, you know, but it's nice. You can take this wherever. And there's no USB port or anything, and you don't need a USB dongle. You could get one. All right, let's see if it connects. Oh, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I found it. Found it. Yes. Okay, cool. Enter this pin on your device. You guys heard that? I think you guys heard that. All right, let me type in chat. Yo, you guys suck. Cool, it works. We're gonna do some ASMR. Should I play a typing game? Yes! Yes! Thank you guys. It's all because of this keyboard. I'm not kissing the keyboard. All right, guys. Well, that's all, folks, for me over here tonight. I've wasted my time since the youth. I know that you can't tell the truth. I won't change my life for you. It's hard, yeah. It's hard.